Sir, the human brain functions like any other electrical instrument. Only instead of an inorganic current, it generates a bioelectrical current. The device can single out a brainwave by targeting wave frequencies.
You mean there's more than one?
Well, yes, sir. We have discovered many obscure wave patterns, and even after this historic breakthrough, the human brain still remains a mystery to medical science.
Please, continue with the weapon. We haven't much time.
Sorry, sir. Where was I? Oh, yes. The device can dial up any of these unique frequencies, then, with a push of a button, sends out an EMP directed at the targeted brainwaves.
An electromagnetic pulse?
Yes, sir. Like I said, the brain works basically like an electronic device, basically a bioelectrical computer. And like any computer, sending an EMP through it would permanently disable it.
So, by the push of a button, we can electronically lobotomize the entire population of the planet?
Yes, sir.
Clever boy.
Gentlemen, remain seated. It's chaos outside. WW3 is upon us. I need some answers.
Speaker Overstreet.
You mean President over...
Just call me Bobbie.
You're not a Kennedy, Mr. President.
Yes, and I'm only president by tragic circumstances and have been appointed rank. Now, I work better under pressure when those around me remain calm and call me Bobbie. Recognizing me as the leader of the free world only reminds me that we are on the brink of global destruction. And that's not a good thing.
Yes, sir, Bobbie.
Now, Aaron, my team briefed me somewhat on the way over here. They said you can end all this by manipulating brain pattern, some kind of Heta Epsilon brainwave.
Yes, sir. As I was telling General Gold here, the device can target every known brainwave the human mind can produce. Emotional processing is conducted in the cortex of the cerebrum. We located a microfiber in the cortex that manages most of the negative emotions that dictate aggression. This microfiber produces said Heta Epsilon brainwave. This device is key to activate on a number sequence delivered to you, Mr. Bobbie, during your briefing. The device has been dialed into Heta Epsilon. Once the last digit has been entered, the device will launch an EM pulse that will engulf the Earth completely, disabling the microfiber in each and every living organism.
What are we waiting for?
Now, wait a minute here, Terrance. This may not be the best course of action.
With all due respect, Bobbie, we have 8 billion lives here.
Exactly, 8 billion lives. If we press that button, 8 billion people, including us, wouldn't be so human anymore. Like it or not, hate, anger, fear, everything that leads to war and fighting is a part of who we are.
And if we keep fighting and warring, it will be to our extinction. We won't be alive anymore to hate or fight.
Maybe that's how it should be.
No. No. I don't want to die. I'd rather be less than human and alive than to not exist. Mr. President?
Bobbie, what'd I say about that?
Sorry, sir. Force of habit. Emergency lights have kicked in. The main power must be out.
Everyone all right in here?
Joe, that you?
Yes, sir.
What's going on?
Well, sir, we've been hit. Intelligence is still trying to figure out by what. And we've also received word that China struck Pyongyang, utilizing its nuclear capabilities.
And...
Well, sir, Pyongyang has been completely decimated.
Thanks, Agent Fisher. You're dismissed. We're fine. We're safe here. Please, just give us a moment.
Okay, sir. We'll be back later to move you to safer grounds once we sweep the area.
I think the situation has proven itself to be in dire need of the solution presented by Dr. Hinkel's button.
Well, no matter what you say, the final decision rests with him.
Agreed.
You know, I'm not that smart. And I'm not a fighter either. I get on by making the decisions that people don't want to. The tough ones. That's why I became a politician in the first place. That's how I became the youngest speaker in history. Some nights, a genius gets stumped by the most simplest of tasks. Some nights it takes a village idiot to solve the most complex of situations. I guess that's why I'm president, right? So, what's the final word on the situation, gentlemen?
Press the button.
Don't do it.